Hi! Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to get a boyfriend. As you may or may not know, I'm the only eligible person on the internet to be doing this. For this, I'm going to be using a very reliable source, WikiHow. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, so for those of y'all who do not know what WikiHow is, according to Wikipedia, WikiHow is an online wiki-style community consisting of an extensive database of how-to guides. Huh? It is basically a website which has a bunch of very useful articles. So I came across this article which is how to get a boyfriend in 3 weeks, which I found extremely interesting, and I thought that we should have a look at it together. Do you need a date for an upcoming school dance? Or maybe there's a family event that you'd love to have a boyfriend to accompany you. Fortunately, there are some ways that you can meet a nice guy and start dating him within a few weeks. But overall, remember, don't start dating someone you don't like just to have a boyfriend. It's important to be patient with yourself and wait for the right person to come along. Well, that makes me wonder, then why are we finding a boyfriend in 3 weeks? Build your confidence. To meet a guy quickly, you're going to need to put some effort into finding the right person. One of the best ways to attract someone is to show that you like yourself. Practice. If you're nervous about talking to a guy you like, figure out your game plan way ahead of time. Try rehearsing what you want to say in front of the mirror. This will help you feel less nervous when you're with your crush. Pick an outfit that makes you feel good. Figure out what you want. There might be a special occasion coming up that makes you feel like you need a boyfriend fast. But remember, you don't want just any boyfriend. Take some time to list your dating priorities. Make a list of qualities that interest you. Do you want someone who's funny? And don't forget to include characteristics such as kindness and treating you with respect. Be outgoing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Moving on, ask your friends for help. So, I'm supposed to ask my friends for help. That guy's so cute. Isn't this the guy you were talking about?
But you did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why though?
Use social media. If you're a young social person, you likely have several social media accounts. Try using technology to your advantage. Use Facebook. Facebook, also known as the most widely used social media app by teenagers. Use body language. Lean closer when he's speaking. This will help show that you're interested. Avoid standing with your arms crossed. This is a signal that you're not interested. Try flirting. If you want the guy to ask you out, flirting is a great way to let him know that you like him. Laugh when he says something amusing. Make sure to react positively. Use a light tone of voice. Make sure not to speak too loudly or too intensely. अबे बात करनी है कि experiment. Don't forget to smile and make eye contact. Find common ground. Once you have started the conversation, it's time to go more in depth. Try to find something that you have in common. Oh my god, his favorite color is black. My hair is black. Oh my god, is he a doctor? वैसे भी मुझे apples नहीं पसंद. Oh my god, he's got a degree. Even I have a fever. Plan a date. Once you two have connected, it's time to take the next step. You don't have to wait for a guy to ask you out. Be confident and ask him to do something. Try saying, "It seems like we are both into movies. Do you want to go see the new Marvel movie with me on Friday night?" But I don't really watch movies. Oh, वो कोई और था. Have fun together. Thank you so much for saying this. अगर आप ये नहीं बताते तो पता नहीं हमारा क्या ही हो जाता. Spend time with each other. When you're building a new relationship, it is important to spend quality time with each other. Take turns picking an activity. Try alternating making the plans for your Friday night date. मतलब अभी कटने वाले और इन्हें पैसे भी उड़ाना. Number 4. Respect each other. No. What if he has a girlfriend? Then you should not try to date him. But what if your parents don't want you to have a boyfriend? ये तो पक्का इंडियन ही है. Thank you so much for watching, and even though I don't give shout outs, this week's shout out goes to, and that's only because you turned on my post notifications. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.